Um, well, I've been really interested in science, since I was really, really little. I like reading a lot, and I got into math in middle school, and then science competitions thereafter with Science Olympiad. And I think the summer of my ninth grade, I did a project, and I learned, through a few friends in other places that there's science fairs in their areas, and I thought a science fair would be a great way to present my research, get some feedback from judges, and work on my presenting and public speaking skills. And it'd also be a great opportunity for me to see what kind of research other high schoolers were doing, so I could learn from them. And I think the Mercer Science Fair has been great for that. It's been great to see everyone else's projects and to learn from judges, answer their questions, and really get their insights. Yeah, I think that's a great question. I think absolutely it will. I can say 100% it will. But there are some, I think, considerations that I've been thinking about recently, and I'm sure all the scientists out there are thinking about it. And that's interpretability. We want to make sure that the results from our algorithms aren't just making predictions, but that we can explain to the consumer, the patient or the clinician, exactly how and why our algorithms are making predictions, like based on which features, based on which variables. So interpretability is one. Another one is being able to generalize. So a lot of algorithms are kind of trained on just one small sample size, and then you can't expect that same algorithm to generalize or be informative for a whole population. Yeah, so I think the first part of the project was honestly just coming up with a schematic and like a clear understanding and outline of the code and the algorithmic procedure. So that took me about, I'd say, a week. The actual coding of the prototype took me about a week of very concentrated effort throughout each day. I think during winter break of, like, I wouldn't say 2020, or no, maybe 2021. Yeah, no, winter break of 2020. But yeah, it took about a week there. But I think the actual project, in terms of applying it and testing it, began in about April 2021. And I think beginning to finish, it's still ongoing, the project. But so I guess it's been over a year now, almost. Yeah, a year and 5 months, and it's still going on. We're still, advancing the algorithm, making it more applicable, and applying it to survival.